Projects of national and regional stature. Constructions reaching out to the Great Sea or conquering high mountains. Super heavy transport equipment on all routes. And the people who are working to create the pinnacle construction in the new era. We are SMC Services and Engineering Joint Stock Company. SMC was established in 2013, formerly known as Trung Nam Southern Mechanical Corporation, with headquarters in Di Linh District, Lam Dong Province and a representative office located in District 10, Ho Chi Minh City. After more than a decade of operation, we have participated in the construction of many key infrastructure and renewable energy projects with leading scale in Vietnam and the Asian region. Facing the strong development in the field of heavy industry with projects and works that contribute to the country's promoting economy, SMC has grasped and outlined key directions for the company's operating path. We have been strongly active in the following fields: construction and installation of energy projects, heavy industry, and transportation infrastructure, transporting super long and super heavy cargo, leasing super heavy machinery and equipment. In order to carry out super projects with oversized dimensions and volumes of up to hundreds or thousands of tons, we have calculated transportation and installation plans, and invested in modern, specialized equipment, the top and latest in the world to speed up progress and achieve the highest efficiency. Besides, SMC always researches and offers optimal solutions for the specifics of each project. We own hundreds of cranes of all types with lifting capacities from 25 tons to 1250 tons. Among these, separately counted cranes from 600 tons and above are 23 cranes, accounts for 50% of the large and super large cranes in Vietnam. SMC currently owns the latest version in the world of self-propelled modular trailers from 𝒐𝒊𝒏𝒕, with a capacity of 48 tons per axle. For offshore construction projects, we have invested in 2 installation barge systems of up to 14,000 tons, 109 meters length and transport barges with a tonnage of up to 8,000 tons to serve transportation and installation wind power projects. These are also the largest barges in Vietnam today. On the road routes, SMC has a total of more than 50 tractors and hundreds of module trailers, including 23-man tractors made in Germany with a towing capacity of up to 250 tons, specialized in serving oversized and super heavy transport. After many years of hard work and creativity incessantly, facing the difficulties of terrain as well as the harsh weather of high mountains and seas, we have completed great projects with lightning speed as well as ensuring safety and quality. SMC has participated in the construction of many renewable energy projects of the century with a total capacity of nearly 2 gigawatts. Typically, the 𝒐𝒊𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒚 𝑺𝒐𝒊𝒏𝒕 onshore wind power project with the largest scale in Southeast Asia including 84 towers, a total capacity of 400 megawatts. Nearshore wind power project on the sea, Dong Hai 1 wind power, Tra Vinh with a scale of 25 turbines, 13 kilometers of concrete link bridge, total capacity of 100 megawatts. The nearshore wind power project 1𝒏𝒈𝒊𝒏𝒆𝒄 with 21 turbines and a total capacity of 88 megawatts. With a total value of implemented project packages of more than 10,000 billion. Not only a proud achievement for each individual and team of SMC, but also a celebration of the labor value that brings great projects to Vietnam's industry. With projects spread across the country, SMC currently has more than 600 employees working at headquarters, representative offices and project sites. We always focus on training to enhance the skills of our team of engineers and managers, and exchange and learn with other companies in the same industry around the world to keep up with new technologies and keep pace with global trends. With a sustainable development strategy and experience in key national projects, SMC is striving to gradually become the top choice of customers in the field of providing special services and equipment. Energy industry, heavy industry, super heavy transportation, infrastructure construction, and providing all-in-package solutions in the field of renewable energy in Vietnam and the world. SMC is proud and honored to accompany leading partners in Vietnam. That is a solid foundation for us to develop together and move towards sustainable and long-term values. With preeminent development methods and leading construction transportation ability in Vietnam, SMC is definitely a reliable companion with partners to jointly build the greatest projects of the era. SMC, our solution, your achievement.